persistent area of thunderstorms. The air rises, condenses, and releases heat, providing fuel for the storm's intensification. If there are no hostile winds aloft to disrupt it, it can develop a circulatory, self-feeding system and strengthen into a hurricane. One of a hurricane's most unique characteristics is its eye, an open area at the center.
You're the hurricane in my heart, spiraling through, breaking me apart. You fill my head with hopes and dreams. Everything you say is not what it seems. The thought of you is making me smile, but I only feel this way for a while. 'Cause I know when I turn around you're just disappointing me. Your vortex screams obscene, but without you I'm just lonely. Baby, you come off kind, you seem like the greatest find, but I've seen behind the lies. When a part of me dies, the magma builds up beneath your surface. Please quit pretending, 'cause I'll be the one you miss.